On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
Guess what, boys? Another pressure washer. This one is a Mrliance. I think that's how you say it. Alright, right off the bat, I like it. Replaceable nozzles, a screwdriver, 2-size wrench, a wand, a soap bottle, a reel, some mounting brackets, electric cord winder, pressure hose to the pressurized hose reel, and a pressure washer supplied with a GFI for safety, of course. Safety is no accident. So let's get this thing assembled. See how long it takes us. Got a nice brass connector here, or bronze, looks brass. Little wind handle, good size soap bottle, black nozzle only for low pressure using detergent. It's like a little baseball cap. Kind of easy to read tips for pressure nozzles. Black is for soap, white is a wide fan spray for just kind of rinsing off. Green is, of course, green is safe for most everything. Then yellow, you got to use a little caution, or you might take vinyl or something off. And then red, of course, is just a pinpoint tip, so be careful. So it's pretty neat the way they label these. Maybe universal, I don't know. I've assembled a few of these before, so I don't need the directions. Good steel bar, brass disconnect, hopefully stainless balls. We will use a supplied screwdriver to tighten the supplied hardware. Woo! That was a long screw. That's what she said. I'm doing it left-handed, boys. Had 2 screws left. Almost forgot where they went. Right there. Oh. Well, this one has an aluminum water fitting. And that's actually aluminum, isn't it? Wow, that's actually a aluminum water inlet. Get a little dab of grease. Just a dab will do you. Should definitely use some rubber gloves, or do as I did and wash your hands immediately after. Of course, this has an O-ring, so you don't have to go super duper tight. Just snug it like that. And that goes like that. There's a little safety that does that. This is a compression fitting. Use the supply wrench. Cut our tie wrap. Stick it in there. I'm done. And it literally took like 15 minutes to put that whole thing together. Can't count this toward the time, right? I actually picked up another undercarriage wash sprayer I bought off of Amazon. And I also bought a 4,000 pound pressure gauge. We can see what the actual pressure is. Model number MR-AMD005266. 110 volts, 2,000 watts. 0 to 40 Celsius, 2.6 gallons per minute, 3 gallons per minute max, 3,000 psi, 3,800 psi max. You don't have to use a water hose. You can put a hose in a bucket and suck it out of there, and it weighs 10.4 kilograms. It says use on a separate electric circuit, probably because it uses 2,000 watts and 110 volts. Alright, I had to pause it to do the math. It says 18 amps. Holy cow. If this thing really draws 18 amps, eh? Made in China. So it has a 1,000 milliliter soap bottle. Some fancy wheels on this one. Hard plastic. This one has a push button switch instead of a rotating switch. A flip out handle. And of course, a good assortment of tips. Looks like it has some holes for venting the heat out of it. Both sides. Minnie got in the mud yesterday. Let's try this thing out. Got to keep the hose inside now. It's cold. Got a pressure gauge. Test out. Let's see what the pressure is on that. First thing we want to do is make sure that ground fault interrupter works, and it does. And we're going to bleed her out. Well, let's see how much pressure this thing actually does. It does. Oh, it's dropping now, ain't it? Looked like it was up to 1,500 pounds. So it was just under 1,500 pounds, you know, and then it's creeped back down. Alright, this time we're going to see how long it takes to fill up a gallon. Ready, set. That's a gallon probably. We'll see what that is. Use our soap container. My little mixture of pressure washing soap. Turn that off. Supplied water. I don't think we're going to need too much today. We'll fill it up anyway. What's up? Yep, doing some tests. This goes from low to high. This is the soap nozzle. Let's see if this will unreel the hose without tipping it over. It does have extra feet in the front. Wow. It unreeled without flipping it over. They put extra feet in the front. Good idea. Soap her up. Almost 20 feet. Pretty good.
I like the setup of it. To stand up with the wheel and everything.
Right, you don't have to
Better
unroll.
than the other freaking little
Yeah, the Ryobi, right. Now I'm going to switch from the soap to not that one, but the highest fan. That's a pinpoint. This is a 15 degree. Got some pressure, huh? You get a little closer. You get closer. Try that undercarriage wash. Oh, give you 2 extension wands. My other one didn't give you anything. And this one's convertible, so you can pressure wash a driveway. How convenient is that? And I think this costs the same amount of money as my other one. Oh, it's a pull.
Where's the other one?
It's got good wheels on this thing too. Yeah, look, you can pull that pin and adjust this wherever you want. Let's see how it actually works. Wow. Yeah, try it. Look how much easier it is than that thing. Every time you'd roll backwards on that one, all the wheels would go sideways. This thing's like so much easier. It's got big wheels. So much easier. No, I bought this. I think like this. You do it so you can do the driveway. Oh yeah, look at that. That's amazing how it works. Pressure washer sweeper. That thing works good. There you go, finish the driveway. Yeah, this is definitely better than the Ryobi, right?
Yeah.
Pretty good. Let's pack it up. Let's see how bad it is to roll up. It is a little easier because it has that little foot thing on it now. Still better than having to roll up a hose and figure out what to do with it, and you know. The only thing I don't like is that. So what I did on the other ones is I just rolled it up big and set it on a handle. Not bad. Still have some soap left too. So I think it's good. What do you think?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, I like it.
It looks like there's definitely a cast aluminum input for the hose. This crank handle should be a little longer. I wish they had a little better system than that for rolling up the wire. Other than that, 2 thumbs up. That's cheese-rific.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.